Have a go at this example. Find the value of 4y plus 10 all over 3x when x equals 2 and y equals 5. I'll show the solution on the next slide. We have the expression 4y plus 10 all divided by 3x. I'm going to write out the expression again, replacing the variables x and y with brackets, as you can see here. You can see that I'm writing 5 in the brackets. Now that's because you can see here that y is equal to 5, and these brackets are in the position of y, as was shown here in the original expression. In the other brackets, you can see I'm writing 2. Now, the reason for this is if you look here, you can see x is the value 2, and these brackets are in the position of the variable x as it appeared in the original expression. We can write this out as 4 times 5 is equal to 20 plus 10 on the top, and on the bottom you can see we got 3 times 2, which is 6. 20 plus 10 we know is equal to 30, and we divide that by the 6. And of course 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. So when x equals 2 and y equals 5, this expression we have seen has got the value of 5. And this process is referred to as substitution.